Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Tuesday 26 July. Alright, so yesterday I actually did made another update and we failed to hold the retest, and that's the big issue that we have at the moment. Okay, so from there to there we were holding the retest and then made a fake out, and then boom, Bitcoin happened, we moved to the downside. So a quick recap, and this is what we're still continuing to do, is that we did make some sort of a triangle here, and you're looking for a technical journey to come down to 373, which is going to be that line right over there. Now the question is, when you do come down here, and the reason for that target is because of a descending triangle like this, break to the downside, back test, and now you're looking to actually come down there. The reason for this one is because what I want to say is what's going to happen after this. So let me dive into the daily. Once I do dive into the daily here, we do have one level that you might start losing, and you might start making a move to the downside. So I do reckon that SLP can even actually come down to this level, which is going to be this trend line right over here, 369. Could bounce off it again and then go back up, okay? Something like this. Or if you actually do come down like this, lose this level, backtest and fail, you're really looking to move way more down than you're expected to, right? And that's it for today's quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.